Zip lists in Python. I am trying to learn how to zip lists. To this end, I have a program, where at a particular point, I do the following. This gives me 3 lists, x1, x2, and x3, each of, say, size 20. Now I do. However, when I do I get 20, which is not what I expected. I expected 3. I think I am doing something fundamentally wrong.
When you zip together 3 lists containing 20 elements each, the result has 20 elements. Each element is a 3-tuple. See for yourself. To find out how many elements each tuple contains, you could examine the length of the first element. Of course, this won't work if the lists were empty to start with.
Zip takes a bunch of list flags and zips them into one list whose entries are 3 tuples, I, by, C. Imagine drawing a zipper horizontally from left to right.
In Python 2.7 this might have worked fine. But in Python 3.4 it should be, otherwise, the result will be something like zip object at 0 by 0.0000256.124 E7 DC8.
Zip creates a new list, filled with tuples containing elements from the iterable arguments. I expect what you try to so is create a tuple where each element is a list.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.